I got a new camera person tonight. Not really a camera person, more of a camera thing that follows me everywhere I go. If I go over here, it follows me. If I go over here, it follows me. If I go over here, guess what? It follows me. So this gizmo is a motorized, I guess it's a gimbal. It's made by a company called Telesin, Telesin, and it was a Christmas gift. And here it is, mid-March, and I'm just now using it. So you basically plug it in. It's got a USB-C connector on the back. It's a one-button operation, and it comes with a remote. The remote is very small, but it allows you to operate this gimbal manually. So if I want to turn it that way, I can use the remote. If I want to turn it, it'll recenter on me, but if I want to turn it that way, I can bring it back, and as soon as it picks me up, it recenters on me again. So kind of a neat little gizmo, and because I have to do all of the camera work, editing work, talking, this is going to help out big because I'm not going to have to move the camera nearly as much. So I'm gonna sand these fenders. I'm not gonna make you watch me do it. I'm gonna get everything masked off, and then we'll get it painted. All right, it's the next day. I've been out here working on the Jeep today. Started by using my antiquated sander on my fenders. That didn't work out that great. I remember why I don't like that quarter sheet sander. So I ended up throwing that in the trash and ended up getting a new one. The new one seemed to work well. We were able to sand these fenders down. They actually came out pretty decent. This side came out better than the passenger side. We sanded them down. We sprayed some of that primer on there that I got. We used this Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal primer. I pulled the Jeep outside and we sprayed the primer on there. I put 2 coats of primer on. It says you can top coat it after within 1 hour, or if you're not going to do it, if you're not going to do it within the 1 hour, you got to wait. You got to let it cure for at least 48 hours. So I was hoping to spray it today, but I got a few spots here that I thought were good. I wanted to hit them with some sandpaper, just straighten them up just a little bit more before I spray them with the truck bed liner. So all in all, we're making some progress on the Jeep. Probably gonna spray the truck bed liner next weekend. And then I've got a few bolts to put in. I got new hold downs for the hood. I got some new rubber bumpers to put on the bottom of the hood so when it hits the fender it doesn't slam. Just a couple other little things that I have to get done, and then we'll be good to go. So as we bring this video to a close, I want to talk a little bit about the channel and where we're at. We're at 402 subscribers. We made that mark last week. It's pretty exciting, but we did lose 63 subscribers along the way. That's okay, but we're hoping that our content's getting a little bit better. We're hoping that our editing is getting a little more bearable, and we're learning how to tell our story and share what's going on in our world. We've had 177,000 views. 176,000 of those have been from non-subscribers. So, you know, we're hoping that more people, as we get better, more people will hit that subscribe button. We've also become an Amazon affiliate, which means that a lot of the products that we use, there's a link in the description that you can click on. It'll bring you right to it, and you can purchase a lot of the same stuff, that the same products that we're using. We get, as an Amazon affiliate, you get a very small percentage of that sale, but it does help out. So it's great. So things are going well, and thanks for stopping by the channel and checking us out. And like I said, we're trying to get our stuff a little bit better, and we appreciate you. So thanks for watching.